Hello PidginNation, how una dey? Wetin dey sup? If you don dey wonder how people dey quick get airdrop update before e go public, or how people take dey get the next DeFi project wey dey do 10x, 20x, 50x and 100x, and dey wonder say wetin dem dey do different, today I bring you the secret wey dem dey call Defi Research tool.
How did you double the money?
Meme came. Bullrun came.
Okay.
And money was flowing from everywhere.
You see this Defi Research tools, na in all these first hand updates dey first enter before anywhere. Now I go list few of these Defi Research tools for you.
Continue baby girl, I love it. Hey!
And number 10 go shock you because you no go believe say update full there. Number 1 for my list na DeFi Llama. Number 2 DeFi Saver. Number 3 Dex tools. Number 4 Zapper. Number 5 Dex Screener. Number 6 Token Terminal. And 7 Dune Analytics. Number 8 CoinGecko. Number 9 Listing Spy. And number 10 CoinMarketCap. You see that CoinMarketCap update full there. Now if you want make I show you how to navigate all these DeFi Research tools one by one as I take list them, comment PidginNation, turn on notification, and stay tuned for the next update make you no miss out. See you later PidginNation.